Just in, direct off the last owner who we've dealt with for many years. This absolutely outstanding example. It really is an absolute gorgeous car. Audi Q3 2-litre TDI S Line S-Tronic. Finished in ice silver metallic. Absolutely stunning, upgraded alloy wheels. It's got 3,600 pounds worth of factory fitted options. Just look at it, really does make a statement. Registered in October 2012 on a 62 plate, extremely low mileage. Let's take you all the way around it. You probably won't find a better example for sale on the market at the moment. It really is absolutely outstanding, hence through the videos to show you how nice all the cars are. Twin exhaust gleaming away, rear parking sensors, of course TDI Quattro 4-wheel drive, 175 brake horsepower, all the loading area undamaged, great size boot, nice and clean, not been abused, split folding rear seats. You've also got a spare wheel on this vehicle. Seven-speed automatic gearbox, nice and smooth. Just look at it, it is absolutely stunning. Rear privacy glass, chrome roof rails, the upgraded alloy wheels, all of them unmarked. This is how the vehicles come in. Matching Goodyear tyres all the way around with plenty of tread on those, all down the sides, lovely and beautiful. No dents, no scratches, no scuffs, no little dings anywhere. Of course S Line, so you get all the sports trims. So again, the near side front wheel, as you can see, it is totally unmarked. All the bodywork absolutely beautiful all the way around. Front parking sensors. It really is a very well cherished example. So again, a close up of all the front end. We do the videos because we have nothing to hide, full transparency, give you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. So the upside front wheel again, just beautiful. Many customers buy cars unseen from us and have done for many years due to our full transparency. And again, the final wheel, as I mentioned, the Goodyear matching tyres all the way around. And of course, being the S Line, you've got the part leather upholstery, all the door trims in great condition, all the seats, the trims. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in the vehicle, no sort of scuffs or anything on the trims. Again, all the trims there, great condition, lots of storage there in the pockets. Leather multifunction sport steering wheel, of course front sport seats, electric lumbar support. Sport seat, you can just adjust the support just under your legs to get it nice and comfortable. No undue wear. Of course S Line embossed. As I mentioned, many upgrades on this vehicle. Just look at the mileage of that 42,998. That's what it's done, 42,998 2012 car. Grey stereo on the vehicle. And I wonder if I ever... Options include technology pack, comfort package, the 19-inch alloy wheels, the privacy glass, just to name a few. Of course, stereo, Bluetooth connection. Nice clear satellite navigation screen. Parking assist. The full menu, just scroll across, nice and easy to follow through. CD player, SD card, dual zone climate control, and of course the S-Tronic gearbox. You can drive it like a manual in the sport mode, or just leave it into drive. Paddle shift gear change. You've also got voice activation. Navigation. Just make it safer for navigating or connect to the Bluetooth phone. Full menu on the dashboard, just scroll through, miles per gallon, onboard computer, all nice and clear. Various other configurations. Stereo controls on there. Cruise control with speed limiter. And of course cool box, keep your drinks nice and cool in there. What a gorgeous example, one that we've serviced for many years. The last owner looked after it. He's just upgraded to another Audi. Outstanding example with such low mileage. Part exchange was a pleasure. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator on our website to work out your low deposit, your low monthly payments. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct to our website, so if you fancy this at 2 o'clock in the morning, hit reserve to ensure nobody else beats you to this car. And don't forget our full money back guarantee. Should you reserve it and come to see the car and feel it's been not described correctly, we'll refund the deposit and no questions asked. Come and collect this car from our showrooms in Stoke on Trent. Alternatively, please ask for further details about home delivery. Specialist Cars, multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke on Trent, established 25 years. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Read about our raving fans reviews and see why customers come back to us time and time again, just like the couple who I bought this car from. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.